Year 2s, welcome back to our phonics session. Today is Thursday, the 14th of January, and I am Miss McDonough, one of the teachers from Gold Class. I've got a warm-up for you today. So your warm-up is, can you explain to somebody, you could film yourself and show your teacher, can you explain the 3 rules for adding the full suffix? And you can use these words to help you. So how would I add full to the word play? How would I add full to a word that ends with an E? And how would I add full to a word like beauty that ends in a Y? What would I need to do in all of those situations? Okay. So this is your warm-up. Go and have a go and come back when you're finished. Pause the video. Right, so if we're adding full to a word like play, I don't have to change anything. I just add my full and it becomes playful. The kitten was feeling playful. Waste, although it ends with an E, and often with other words, before you add the suffix you have to take away the E, but not with the full suffix. I just add my full at the end. Beauty turns to beautiful when I change my Y to an I, and then I add my full. Beautiful. Okay, we are going to do a quick write session today. So I am going to show you some words, and what I want you to do at the same time as me is just to have a go at adding the full to each one, okay? So this is just a quick writing session. If you need to pause the video as I'm going a bit too fast, then that's fine, please do so. But we've got lots of words to get through and it's just practice, 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 okay? So the first one is cheer. Have a go, pause the video and see if you can add the full suffix to that. So cheer. To cheerful, I just add my full. I don't have to do anything else. Right, next one. Revenge. He was revengeful, full of revenge. Okay, have a go at that one. Right, revenge to revengeful, although it ends with an E, I just add my full. Okay, next one. Plenty. To plentiful. The harvest was plentiful last year. Have a go at that one. Right, plenty turns to plentiful when I change the Y to an I, and then I add my full. Plenty to plentiful. Okay, next one. So I'm going quite speedy here, so if you need to pause the video, then that's absolutely fine. Right, tear to tearful. Have a go. Tearful. Okay, nice and easy for tearful. I just add my full suffix, tearful. Have a go at this one. Mercy. Merciful. The judge was merciful. Okay, have a go at that. Right, so mercy changes to merciful when I change my Y to an I, and then I add the full suffix. Remembering that the full suffix is not the same as the word full because it's only got one L, one L, and not 2. Okay, let's have a go at this one. Truth. It is very important to be truthful. Have a go at that one. So truth to truthful, I just add my full suffix. Next one is waste. We must not be wasteful. Wasteful. Have a go at wasteful. Okay, waste turns to wasteful when I just add my full suffix. Next word is pity. Pitiful. Pitiful. Remember, what do I do if a word ends in a Y? How am I going to change that to pitiful? Have a go. Right, pity to pitiful. I change that Y to an I, and then I add, my full suffix. Pitiful. There was a pitiful number of children at the park, which means not a lot. Watch. Next one is watch. It looks like watch, but it's actually watch. Watchful. Watchful. Can you turn watch to watchful? It doesn't mean to be full of watch like a clock. If you are watchful, then you are looking out for something. You are watchful. We all have to be watchful at the moment, don't we? About our behaviour and making sure that we are being watchful, that we are standing 2 meters away from each other. Youth. Next word is youth. Youth to youthful. So if you have youth, you are young and full of energy. So we all like to be youthful. Have a go at that one. Right, youth to youthful. I just add my full suffix, youthful. Next one. Pain to painful. My daughter's knee was very painful the other day because she fell over. She grazed her knee. Painful. Okay, so pain to painful when I add my full suffix, painful. Have a go at the next one then. Oh, we should know this one. We've had this as our word of the week before. Peace. Peace. Peace to peaceful. Have a go at that one. Peaceful. It was a cold, dark and peaceful night. Peaceful, just meaning it's quiet and calm. Okay. Let's have a go at shame to shameful. Shameful. The dog's behaviour was shameful. I wonder if the dragon's behaviour will be shameful in The Boy Who Grew Dragons. So shame to shameful when I add my full suffix. Okay, next one. So remember, if I'm going too fast, pause the video in between and go at your own speed. Doubtful. I'm doubtful that it will snow today. It's very cold, but the ground's very wet. So I'm doubtful. I'm full of doubt. Have a go at that one. Doubt's a funny word because it's got a B in it that's not actually making a sound. Doubt to doubtful when I add my full suffix. Next word. Fear to fearful. Fearful. I was fearful about slipping over when I went out to my bins the other day because the ground was all icy. Fearful. I was afraid. Fearful. I just add my full suffix. Okay. Dread. Dread to dreadful. Oh, the weather's been dreadful this week. It really has been dreadful with all this rain. Unless you're a duck. Ducks probably quite like this weather at the moment. Dread to dreadful. Just adding on my full suffix. Okay, next one. Forget. So somebody who is forgetful will forget things lots of the times. Okay, forget to forgetful. Just adding on my full suffix. There's lots of words here. I've got 3 more to do. Grace to graceful. Talk about ballerinas are very graceful. They move very elegantly. Swans, they're also very graceful as they glide along the ponds and the rivers and the water. Grace to graceful. That's right, I just add on my full suffix. The next one is harm. Harm. Thinking about those poor orangutans. Deforestation is harmful to the orangutans and to lots of animals that live in the rainforests. Harmful. So harm to harmful. Just add my full suffix. And one last one. The end on a happy note when I change joy to joyful. We are all going to be very joyful when we're able to go back to school and see each other, aren't we? That's for sure. Right, well, how did you do? I wonder how you feel. I wonder if you'd feel, if you were to give yourself a colour, how you would feel about adding the full suffix. Well done if you were able to get through all of those words. Tomorrow's phonics lesson won't be a video, but there is going to be a game online for you to have a go at using the full suffix. So enjoy that, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.